This is my first Amber Marie event to go to. I really was excited to come to this event. Alice in Wonderland is one of my absolute favorites. I love it. It's an original, it's a classic, it's great. Favorite part so far, all of the decoration. I feel like I'm in Wonderland.
Who are you?
And my lucky number is 13 today.
I'm from Edmond, Oklahoma. This is only my second time being at the Amber Marie. I came last month. It's real fun so far.
She comes up with so much cute stuff.
Today we're having the Mad Hatter Tea Party. I don't dress like this on the regular, I promise. Coming to Amber Marie on special events like today is just such a cool experience because it's not like your everyday shopping experience at Amber Marie. Today we're dressed up, we have snacks, we have games to play, we have special events taking place. When we have special events, it's definitely worth your time. Come and see us.
I'm going to tell you the one question I get asked over and over and over again. It's about my makeup routine. Today I'm going to share with you one of those routines, and that's my City Beauty routine. So Mom and I stumbled across City Beauty products a few years ago, and we started using the City Lips, which is the lip plumping lip gloss that I have on here, and I'm telling you, I have been in love with it ever since. Well, I just recently received 2 other products from City Beauty, and I love them just as much. I have line therapy and the lip oil that I use at night. Now, line therapy is the first thing I put on right away. As soon as I finish brushing my teeth, before I put any other ounce of makeup on, I put the line therapy on, and I really allow that to kind of hydrate and soak into my lips while I'm applying the rest of my makeup. And then my City Lips Lip Plumping Gloss. I love this lip gloss because it's hydrating and not sticky, and I love the look and feel of it. Not only that, the nutrients help plump the lips and keep them nice and full all day long. And the last thing, every night before I go to bed, I actually keep this lip oil by my bed. I put this night lip oil on, and that is going to help hydrate those lips all night long. And guess what? You guys are lucky because you get 20% off with code Amber Marie. So use that code at the checkout. The link is below. Go to City Beauty, check out their products. I love this gloss. Look how pretty and pink this is. Y'all know I'm a pink girl. And this one's called Los Angeles. Full of hydration and full of all of those wonderful products, and it works like a dream. Check out City Beauty, y'all. You're going to love it. This product is verified by Mom and I because we both love and use City Beauty products. There's so many colors, but I'm telling you, this Los Angeles is my go-to. All right, y'all. I hope you try it and let me know what you think.
Welcome to the Mad Hatter Tea Party.
It's very important, guys.